Sienna said. So today I will be doing a slime review. These aren't all my slimes. So make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell thingy. Thingamajig. I don't know what they're called really. Move these to the side. Let's get started. Oh, by the way, make sure you watch some Ultra
J123.
My brother's YouTube channel. This slime is like really fluffy and rippy. Okay. My new jacket. No, why do you have to do this to me? Yeah, like, really, why? Really? Yeah. I don't know, I keep saying really. Oh god, I just said it again. I hope you like this slime. Let's go to the next one. And I was about to say, I hope you like the video. No, I hope you like the slime video. One slime is a whole video. Now this slime's called Dark Side. It's the dark side. Wait, here's the poke on it. So good. This is butter slime. Can you hear that poke? It comes. Wait, go closer.
You broke it.
Yes.
Whose is it?
Mine. Wow. Okay. And I'm doing this quite quick. Like, all these things quite quickly. Let's go to the next one. I keep saying that today. Why? I don't like these people. Wait. Notification bell. It's called the notification bell. Notification bell. So this slime is called Party. Okay. What are you doing?
I mean, for real.
Stop.
That's me.
Joey, stop.
Okay.
Okay. In your face.
When you throw away, who cares about
Oh,
me?
it's just a little. Yo. Here's a go. Good, right? Whippy, whoop. Doing a little dance. Yo. This one is yellow. Don't Joey. That's fake. Okay. Here's the yellow slime. Okay, here's a pic for this one.
How long is your video gonna be?
So far it's been 5 minutes.
This is gonna be a short video.
What's that?
You?
What? That wasn't me, that's mummy. Probably, isn't it?
She's not even in the same room, and it sounded like it was over there, and it definitely wasn't me.
And it was over there.
No, there's not.
There's nothing out there.
It had to be you.
It had to be this blue slime that I'm doing it. Baby.
What did you even say?
Yeah, baby. Yayo.
And the video there?
This is the last and final slime.
This is gonna be like the shortest video in the world.
It's not. Your one was the shortest video in the world.
Okay, it was like 8 seconds.
Yes. And this has been 6 minutes. So, yeah, it is. So this one is called Ice Cube. Joey, that looks pretty. Like that. Oh my god, stop.
Okay.
Go get it.
Why are you bullying me?
Why are you bullying me? Thank you very much.
I don't do it every day.
Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna make a big bubble and see if I can hold it up for a long time. Okay. Whoa! Nope.
Now I got slime. Ugh.
Haha.
Where did that go? Where did that go?
Where? Okay, I'm gonna make another humongous.
Where's my lid? You just broke my pen.
What?
Cruelty.
To him, not to me, not to you guys. You guys are too precious. I know it. I know it. You're too precious.
Say bye-bye.
No.
Say bye-bye.
So. The end. Just kidding, man. Don't.
I'm not going to. I'm getting ready.
So guys, you know that I just love you. Wait, no, you're coming to see. I love you. Can you see my love heart I made?
Now.
I love you guys.
Yeah, she just loves you.
Not literally, like I could kiss you. I love you guys. And thank you for watching. Make sure you watch more of Sienna said. And yeah. Goodbye guys.